I'm Lauren from TastyPC.tv, and I've partnered up with WD for their Dream Machine for Good campaign, which is a project where I picked a rig designed by one of my viewers, built it in a video, and now it's going to be donated to charity. So it's for a really good cause, and it's a pretty sweet build. We've got an i7 5820K, a GTX 980, a workstation motherboard, and two 6TB WD Green hard drives backing up a 480GB Intel SSD. And to see the rig being built, you can watch the video by clicking here. But in this video, I'm going to be covering kind of the product that made this build possible, which is the WD Green hard drives. Now WD does have a diverse range of drives, each one having kind of like a specific use case scenario. So say you wanted a hard drive that was capable of storing kind of like a large library of games but had fast loading times, you'd want to go for a WD black drive. For always on over the network storage, you'd want to go WD red. For surveillance and AV equipment, you'd want to go WD purple. And you've also got a wide range of enterprise drives for data centres. But WD Green's forte is really just to give you kind of like the maximum storage capacity possible for your money. Because the price that you can get some 1TB hard drives, you can get a 2TB WD Green hard drive instead, which does make it the perfect partner for a rig that's already got, you know, an SSD as the primary drive with the operating system, applications and games, but isn't kind of just, you know, in need of a high capacity storage drive for, you know, your pictures, music, videos, documents and any other files. So I do think that combining an ultra fast SSD and a high capacity WD Green drive does just give you kind of the perfect combination between having a fast system which is quick to boot and load up but also has a lot of storage space. And with this rig we do have, as I said before, two 6TB WD Green drives and a 480GB SSD. So straight off the bat we've got 12TB purely for storage, and then this case does have space to add more hard drives for additional kind of future upgradability. But you can get WD Green drives in 8 different sizes, from 500GB up to 6TB, so you can find one that fits your needs and budget. As a YouTuber, I do go through a lot of space storing high definition content, and that's only going to increase as I move up to 4K. So for me, I find that storing data on an SSD really kind of isn't possible just because of how expensive they are per gig. So in my own workstation personally, I do have a 256GB Crucial SSD for my main OS and editing programs, and then I've pretty much just got like a wall of WD Green drives for storing my raw content. So I do honestly feel like an ultra fast SSD is a great match for WD Green drives. Also I found that WD Green drives do run cooler and quieter than some of the hard drives I've used in the past, and they're also energy efficient, which is a bonus. But yeah, you don't have to go as crazy with your rig though, as I've done with my workstation or this build here. If you are on a budget, you could always just get, you know, like a 120GB SSD and a 2TB WD Green drive. But I'd love to know in the comments below what drives you will use in your own systems, and thanks for watching.